healthy eating during the holidays. Let's have a fresh perspective on eating healthy during the holidays. Are you tired of hearing the same old advice? Eat less meat, more veggies, and choose whole grain bread over white bread. Let's try something new. Let's be creative. First, let's declare food as a friend, not a foe. Food nourishes us, gives us pleasure, and brings us together. Let's go for festive, healthier options. Roasted chestnuts over sugary cookies. Cinnamon fruit salad over cinnamon rolls. Creative foods encourage smaller servings due to their rich flavors. We could use a smaller plate. It tricks our minds into eating less. It also leaves more space on the table for our food innovations. Savor each bite. Eating slowly enhances flavors and helps us realize when we're full. Can you guess the spices used in a dish? Put the fork down and take a minute to reflect on the moment, your family, friends, connections, the mood. Ask yourself, am I still hungry or just eating to finish my plate? It's okay to indulge. Just don't do it over days as you work on leftovers. It's better to trash a few dollars of food than suffer from indigestion or visit the doctor. Invite people you love over for the holidays, family, relatives, and friends. Chat, joke, laugh. That's what the holidays are about. Let's give guests some leftovers as they walk out the door. Take it easy on wine, beer, and high-calorie drinks. Why not try herbal teas like hibiscus or chai? For coffee lovers, how about sipping on a cup of Americano flavored with cinnamon or a drop of vanilla extract? Get creative. It is the holidays. You can try a digestive drink like ginger tea or licorice root tea, but nothing helps digestion like walking around. Do you live in a mild winter weather? Lucky you. Try going on a family walk. Have you tried to cook something different over the holidays? Well, why not start a new tradition and cook new international recipes? Years later, we will cherish or laugh with loved ones at the experience. Celebrate the moment. Enjoy family, friends, and food, but make it different. Focus on quality and creativity more than quantity in the mundane. Wishing you a joyful and healthy holiday season. May it be full of health, happiness, and wonderful food.